This is the MPU switcher box that is just to the left of the Prophet underneath the modular synth. Only 1 and 5 are hooked up. Switch 5 is what it's normally set to. Switch 1 is what you use when you want the Prophet to control the modular. It's wicked easy. Watch this. The MIDI interface has an input, and the aid module has an additional one for convenience, an auxiliary input. So having those helps. This is what the situation has been all semester. Switch 5. The MIDI from the Prophet comes into the switcher, comes into the MIDI interface, into the computer, and also the MIDI interface has a cable plugged into one of the MIDI inputs of the modular. So you can play the Prophet and record MIDI into DP, and you can, anything in DP or any other keyboard in the lab can send to the modular if you record, enable a track, and assign it. If you push number 1 switch on the switch box, there's still a connection from the computer MIDI interface to the modular, but now the Prophet MIDI is going straight into the modular, bypassing it. This is very convenient, so if you want to come in and play the modular, you don't have to boot the DAW and create a MIDI track and record, enable it, and on and on. The one thing to be aware of is that when you do this, which I do all the time, and you probably will too, including for Lab-05, if you don't turn local off on the Prophet, you will need to turn the volume down, unless you want to hear it layered with the modular, which can be fun, but you don't want that for this assignment because I want you to hear what the modular is doing.